Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your loan covenant says, maintain 90% performance ratio. You're at 88.9%. You just breached. But wait, this year had 6% less irradiance than average. Shouldn't that matter? To your lender, it just started to. For years, solar financing used simple PR, actual energy divided by expected energy based on actual irradiance. The problem? This metric is useless for year-over-year comparison. Example, year 1, sunny year, 1800 kWh per square meter, 92% PR. Year 2, cloudy year, 1650 kWh per square meter, 90% PR. Did performance get worse, or was it just weather? Lenders are finally realizing, if you can't normalize for weather, you can't detect degradation, you can't forecast cash flow, and you can't manage covenant risk. The new standard? Weather normalized PR. What your asset would produce in an average weather year. Weather normalized PR requires 3 corrections. First, irradiance normalization. Compare actual production not to this year's irradiance, but to a long-term reference year. P50 or TMI3. This removes weather variability. Second, temperature correction. Panels lose about 0.4% efficiency per degree C above 25. A hot year artificially lowers PR. Third, soiling and snow adjustment. Weather-driven losses must be modeled separately from asset degradation. At ClearSpot AI, our AI agents automate this entire process using satellite irradiance for your exact location, temperature correction using on-site or modeled data, and soiling models validated with drone imaging. Output: a weather-normalized PR trend that shows true asset performance over time. A 120 MW portfolio, refinanced in 2025. Lender required proof of consistent performance across 3 years. Problem raw PR was 2023. 94.1%, 2024, 91.8%, 2025, 89.7%. Looked like 4.4% degradation way above expected. Refinancing at risk. We delivered weather normalized PR, 2023, 93.2%. Adjusted down sunny year, 2024, 92.8%. Adjusted up cloudy year, 2025, 92.1%. Adjusted up cool cloudy year. Actual degradation, 1.1% over 3 years, perfectly acceptable. Lender accepted the normalized analysis. Refinancing approved at favorable terms. If your lender or board is asking for weather normalized PR, don't wing it. Go to ClearSpot AI and request your weather normalized performance report. We'll deliver multi-year PR trends corrected for irradiance, temperature, and soiling, true degradation rate versus weather-driven variance, covenant compliance documentation lenders actually accept, and forecasted PR for any future weather scenario. Meet the new lender standard before your next covenant test. ClearSpot AI, because your performance shouldn't depend on the weather. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.